Welcome back to my LEGO Classic 11036 Optical Build series. Some vehicles are built for speed, others are built to get the job done. Today we are building this awesome pickup truck. Let's start. Simple, strong, useful. This pickup truck isn't flashy, but it does exactly what it was designed to do. That's a good lesson for all of us. Which optical build should we create next? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for being part of my LEGO journey. Every video starts with an idea. Every creation starts with a single ring. And every dream starts with believing in yourself. Until next video, keep building.
Thank you.